Hello, hello, hello. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the watch list coming in for Friday, January 27th. Let's get it started. And just a quick update, we'll be providing you with some of the best company news that dropped with stocks that have heavy volume so we could look for potential continuation trades tomorrow. And if you don't like my trades, you can choose the opposite side and short them. Regardless of all that, let's get it started. And welcome to the watch list. BZFD, BuzzFeed Inc. Last up, we got $2.33 a share, 4.3 relative volume, 23 cents daily trading range for BuzzFeed, BZFD, $291 million market cap. BuzzFeed has a deal with Meta to create content, and they've received $10 million. BuzzFeed currently $2.33 a share. Checking in with the 200-day moving average as well. There it is, BZFD. Okay, next up on the list we got XM, Qualtrics International. Alright, Qualtrics is currently at $15.05 a share. Relative volume is 4.3, 78 cents. Average trading range per day, $8,848,000,000 market cap for XM, Qualtrics International Inc. Price targets are above current levels by Piper Sandler and JMP Securities. Their recent earnings beat expectations. And the news that started all of this, I believe, is that SAP, the company SAP, cuts their stake in the company XM here. So I think that this might be bullish because there may be some less oversight going on, less people to answer to, something like that. And this is for XM, Qualtrics International. Okay, next on the list, we got BTCY, BIOTRICITY Inc., currently at 82 cents a share. Relative volume 4.2, 8 cents daily trading range, $46 million market cap for BTCY, BIOTRICITY. They have signed a deal with 5 of the top distributors for its heart monitoring solutions. Good news for BTCY. Confirmation and grab on the 50-day. Looks like the 200-day is up at 110. We're currently at 82 cents a share. BTCY. LYTS. This one is really nice in my opinion. Lights LSI Industries. Currently at $14.98 a share. RVOL 3.8. 62 cents daily trading range. $416 million market cap. LSI Industries, let's go with better than expected sales, beating by $10 million, and earnings per share also beating by 8 cents a share. 8-year chart breakout above the $13.45 level, and this is a 2005 IPO level breakout above the highs of $14.79, which in my opinion is an important level that this will need to hold. I had to go to a 20-year chart for that. Let's go. Here you go. I'm actually wrong about the 20-year chart. I need a full... I don't even have the chart listed for all times. Anyways. LYTS, massive breakout. Working its way back up here. Company seems like a solid company too. I think this company will have potential just to be like a solid stock to own. Look into it if you're interested. They provide lighting for commercial and industrial applications and businesses, and they have good amount of sales. Their market cap's pretty small still, so I think they have some potential. LSI Industries, LYTS, currently at $14.98 a share. Okay. On the list previously, GFAI, Guard Force AI, currently at 24 cents a share. RVOL 2.9, 3 cents daily trading range, $13 million market cap for GFAI. Let's see. GFAI previously on the list. What is the news for them here? 2 long-term contracts with pre-existing clients, and they are providing secured logistics services for customers in Thailand as well, I believe. They signed a deal also to acquire a robot business in December related to assets in China. Nice. Chinese robot business acquired and new contracts signed for GFAI. Previously on the list, so I'm marking it up again. EVOK. EVOKE Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Or EVOKE Pharma. Nice chart. That's all I gotta say on this, but it just looks like the stock price is really leading the 50-day to a golden crossover here. If this looks like some of the other charts we've seen, we're looking for sure at least of a test here to 625, give or take. And man, this thing could break out to get to levels of around $9 or $10 for sure. Judging by other charts I've seen that do exactly this, where they create that golden crossover just by the stock price alone. Good chart. ASXC, previously on the list as well. Love this one. Breakout here, and the news is they received a CE mark for their machine surgery vision capabilities. First of its kind, supposedly. Anyways, 84 cents a share. Relative volume 2.6. 5 cents daily trading range, $199 million market cap. And they have good price targets as well. I know from a couple of major players. Yeah, $3 price target from H.C. Wainwright. They get these little stocks moving for sure. H.C. Wainwright does. Okay, next up we got CVD equipment, previously on a list as well. Possible short setting up, in my opinion. This company does not have options. However, I say a possible short is setting up only because I was thinking maybe because Intel had bad earnings, they could have some sympathy to the downside. If AMD continues to have that sympathy to the downside, perhaps. But these guys work a lot more probably like ASML. ASML is actually manufacturing the equipment to make semiconductors, which has almost just nothing but good to do as far as anyone's concerned. So a stock like CBV deals with the gases in the silicone creating process. So who knows? Maybe this one's going to keep running and run until it stops. BORR. And by the way, that was CVV. Here we go with another one. BORR Drilling Limited. BORR. Currently at $6.18 a share. RVOL is 2.3. 32 cents. Average trading range. $1.414 million market cap for BORR. BORR Drilling Limited. On Tuesday, they updated their full year for 2022 revenue, quarter 4 revenues, and gave super strong revenue guidance for full year 2023 as well. 1 year breakout is in sight. In my opinion, this stock has potential to shoot for $9, $10 a share. Currently at $6.18 a share. Obviously, that's just my opinion. Do with it what you will. Yeah, there we go. Exactly. I didn't even see that. $9.35, give or take $9 a share for sure. Has a chance here if this is going to break this pattern and double it up here. This is 2 to 6, so we could call it 6 to 9. No problem. We could call it 6 to 10. No problem. If it wants to shoot out, break out. This is BORR. Next up, NXPI. NXP Semiconductors, currently at 178 a share. Arval Arval was 2 today. Average trading range $5.41 a day. Market cap is 46,650,000,000. NXP Semiconductors just has a freshly created golden crossover occurring. Very powerful symbol. So in my opinion, we have potential for 187 targets for tomorrow. Maybe 184 targets for tomorrow. NXPI. Okay, next up and last up on the list, we got CNP. Actually, I'll do one more after this. A special one. CNP, Centerpoint Energy, currently at $30 a share. Arval 1 today, and 62 cents is the daily trading range. 18,800,000,000. Excuse me. $800 million market cap. 18,800,000,000 market cap. There we go. And another one with the golden cross just occurring right now. Although we're underneath the 50 and the 200, golden cross still occurred. So we'll see what happens here. Potential short-term head and shoulders as well with the dip out right here and this little pattern. Okay, and last up for me today, of course, a lot of companies report their earnings, but just because I have ideas about it and I saw the sympathy that happened, Intel dropped their earnings and Intel decided to dip down. Did we go over Intel already? I don't think we did. Nah, Intel dropped their earnings. Intel decided to dip and they missed. They announced weaker PC sales. Intel's currently at $27.16 a share. They closed today at $30 a share. Arval for Intel 3.1. Average trading range 84 cents a day. $124,180,000,000 market cap. I think I probably did this. Intel, bad earnings, but anyways, besides that, AMD slumped off of the earnings as well. So in my opinion, AMD has the potential here to either move with Intel or just to completely ignore it, because they might be the ones taking the business from Intel's weaker PC sales. So I am looking for AMD to work its way up here towards $79, $80 a share to the 200-day moving average. That's a possibility if these two, Intel and AMD, decide to go opposite directions. But yeah, so Intel dropped their earnings, weaker PC sales, possible sympathies with AMD, also possible sympathy ideas with CVV, although that one might not be exactly as direct. Okay, well, thank you guys very much for checking in to another watch list. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a good Thursday night and a happy trading day and a good trading day on Friday. It's always a good day on Friday. And we'll see you guys on the weekly recap. And this weekend, we'll have a watch list for Monday to get ready for the week upcoming. And you guys have a good weekend. Take it easy. Thanks for checking in. Bye.